Today we're going to talk about warning whips, which are those flags you see on the back of work trucks, and how to best mount them to your truck. Check out the quick disconnect base mount kit from Checkers. Many job sites such as mines, construction sites, and industrial plants have a long-standing safety protocol for vehicles to have safety whips to increase their visibility. But when you're not on the job site, some jurisdictions have made it illegal to drive with this warning whip up. So a lot of people tend to bend it down and fasten it to the bed of their truck. This can be cumbersome to do, may damage the lights or the whips, and potentially spring loose and end up getting you pulled over. So a far better option is to remove the whip entirely by using this quick disconnect system and store it safely to prevent damage and dents to your vehicle, the whip, or your wallet. You can simply attach the male side to your lighted whip and the female side to the mount on your vehicle. Then, it's just like an air coupler to attach and detach between uses. This quick coupler also comes ready to be wired to your truck power source, so it's usable on both standard and lighted whips. But what if you don't have a mount on your vehicle? Well, Checkers has you covered. You can get a simple mounting bracket or a spring mount and put it anywhere on the truck. Or you can grab a hitch mount for a very fast, tool-free installation that you can swap between vehicles. It's simply powered by the 7-way plug on your vehicle. And if you need a brand new warning whip or a replacement flag, we can help you out there too. So whip it real good with this week's feature product, the quick disconnect base mount kit from Checkers. How do you have your warning whip mounted? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.